Okay, so I showed you this eyebrow palette idea that I had. So this is contour. And I'm gonna actually show you how I do my brows with contour now, which I'm loving. I usually use a pencil to line my brows and shape them, but I started using contour, and it's cream, and so it kind of works as like a gel and a pencil in one. So you're cutting out that middle product, and it's gonna last like way longer because look how massive that tin is. Like, I barely make a dent when doing this. So it's gonna save you some money, it's gonna save you some time, and it's gonna give you some brows. Who doesn't want all those things? All of the above, please. Okay, so I'm using this bigger brush to like get my shape. So like outlining my eyebrows, kind of filling in the shape on the outer edges. And then I'm going to, because you want to be, your eyebrow should be about there. So my front end is a little bare. So I take it and I just get the shape first. So I'm using this brush for shape and outline, basically. Okay. Okay. Shape and outline. And then I'm going to take my multitasker brush. It's like much smaller, and we're going to just kind of fill in some hair-like strokes because it's a thin brush. It's going to kind of emulate hair. I feel like I did this one too far. What's also great about the creams is you just say, back that up a little bit, move it on back. Oh, who just sang the move? Never mind, that's a bad word. As soon as I went to sing it, I was like, oh, never mind, don't do that. What about the other one? Back of the bus, back, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, I do, I can hear it in my head. Go to the back of the bus. Yeah, okay, that's gonna bother me later. Okay, back to eyebrows, people, hold on. Okay, so using this to emulate hair-like strokes. Wow, I don't know what's going on today, except that. That's what you get, people, that's what you get. Okay, so still, that was all contour. We love it. Kind of. I'm gonna actually, we kind of love it. We're gonna go out a little bit more on this side. I feel like I backed that other side up, but I still want a little more up on this side. And like, pro tip, your eyebrows are not meant to look exactly the same. They should be sisters, not twins. They can be besties who like to chill. They do not need to look the same, okay? Okay, just a little tip from me to you. So then we're gonna go back to this multitasker brush really quick, and I like to grab Sabrina on this like small end, and I use this as like a highlight. So we're gonna kind of highlight and contour our brows, sister, and just like make them pop a little bit. Oh, it's so good. I love it. I love eyebrows. They're my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this brush. So I'm only using these two, but because they're double-ended, it's like 4 brushes. Back to this one. And we're gonna get that dark color brown on the edge, and it still kind of has contour on there, so it's nice because it'll like help the color stay better. But now we're filling. So we have brown color on the brush. This is Trust eyeshadow. It's a deep brown. What's also amazing is that this can be customized to you. I will pick your colors. I will help you make it so it matches your eyebrows, because you're obviously not going to be this color if you are blonde, right? We are all different and we beautiful. Look how easy that is. Oh my gosh. Stop it. You're so done. I'm done. I'm done here. Just done. I'm gonna throw, I forgot my illuminator today. So we just dust that little, just that glow on there. And she just wakes up your face. Cause I got up early today. I need to be woken up. Oh, I just brushed myself with that. Brush my shoulder off with some glow. I got nothing else to say to you.